Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful puttanesca. It only takes 15 minutes to make and is one of my favorite. There is very few ingredients and there is not much chop to do. I'm gonna chop the garlic really fine and I'm gonna do the same with the chili. With the olives, I'm just gonna break them like this and remove the stone in the middle. I have a large frying pan on a medium-high heat and I'm gonna add a good drizzle of olive oil, capers, olives, anchovies. They will literally melt chili and the garlic. Now I'm gonna add the cherry tomatoes because they are perfect for a quick cooking. The smell, it's incredible. Ready. Straight into the sauce. A bit of fresh parsley. And now a really good stir. It's ready in no time and it's the one and only puttanesca. This is for two people or for one very Italian hungry man.